Hello my dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here. So happy Veganuary guys. How are you finding it? Are you challenging yourself with something new? So today I decided that we need to get saucy, alright? So I've got a tahini sauce, a dressing, to put on your salads, rice, stir fries and a few other different things. And if you love tahini, you'll love this sauce. So let's begin. We've got our ingredients here. So we're gonna need a quarter of a cup of tahini, or it's about 4 tablespoons of 3 big ones really. So we're gonna be adding just everything to this. Okay, so we've got our tahini, and this tahini is no oil, it's just basically roasted sesame seeds, milled, and I think these are dehulled sesame seeds that I use because it's a light tahini. Okay, so that, then I've got half a cup of water mixed with brine. If you don't have brine, you can just use half a cup of water, but I mixed 2 tablespoons of brine and other 2 tablespoons of water here. So add that. Then I've got a tablespoon of lemon juice. I've got about a tablespoon of grated ginger. So we'll add that. And a tablespoon of soy sauce as well. So that's it. And now you can either whisk it with the hand whisk, or you could use like a stick blender. So I'm going to use a stick blender just to make it a little bit quicker. Voila, there you have it. So you've got your creamy lemony tahini sauce. Also, if you wanted to add a little bit more kind of zestiness or freshness to it, you can add the lemon zest as well. So maybe, half of a lemon zest. But let's do some taste testing. That is yummy. So I've got my tahini in a jar now, and if you want to be super indulgent, you can add a teaspoon of what it is, forgot the word, maple syrup guys, right? So a little bit of natural sweetener, maple syrup, and that makes the sauce even more delicious and indulgent. Okay, so let me do some taste testing for you. So I will do taste testing now when I've added a little bit of maple syrup guys. So I've tested it before and it was lovely, but let me taste now with maple syrup in. Oh wow, it's so good. So yeah, so there you have it. This is a very simple tahini dressing, and it's very versatile. So I think I like it the best on a fresh green salad, or even more so I think on steamed veggies. That's really great. And in stir fries, it's amazing in stir fries too. So there's a few uses. So I've put that in a jar, and this will keep in the fridge for about, probably I would say 5 to 7 days even, because there's a lot of fat content, so that'll keep a little while. And you could double the recipe and do more of this if you like it, so you've got for for a few dishes, because this will probably be good for 1 or 2, 1.5 maybe recipe. Because I just love quite a bit of it on like I said, my steamed veggies or green salads or stir fries. So that's it guys. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, And if you're new to the channel, welcome, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also hit the bell button so you get notified when I release new videos. I do that every Wednesday, every week. And yeah, and remember guys, food is fuel. So really be conscious what you put in your mouth. Alright, until next time guys.